at it again. It's another beautiful weekend. Summer's coming though. It's getting hot. But it's not hot enough yet that we can't have fun. Got me and my travel buddy. We're gonna go explore a new area called Turks Head. Now we've been out this way before, but we haven't been up this side trail that goes to a place called Turks Head. So we're gonna see what it's all about. We're gonna use our Onyx app and follow the little trail there. I've got my FPV drones and my Avada and my DJI FPV, and I've got my Mini Pro 4. And we're gonna see what this area looks like. I hope it's up against the superstitions. It looks like it's going to be, and my guess is it's going to be awesome. So let's do it. Let's get down the trail and go have a little bit of fun. Well, we're almost there. It's been a cool trail so far. It's just up ahead of us. We're almost to the end of this trail where we're going to fly a bit. What do you think so far?
Really cool.
Yeah, it's pretty dang cool. So, like this area out here, a lot of cactus in bloom, which I really like the fact the cactus are in bloom. Saguaros are starting to get their crowns, and but man, this trail is rocky. We're just about to hit some more right there. Definitely rocky. We made it. Look at that. Wow. What a view. Is that cool? This is where we're going to fly. Probably up more towards that area. Well, that sucks. That is wilderness area up there. I really wanted to go see what's up in that area, but dang it, I don't want to be that guy. I mean, technically I can take off and land where I'm at. I just can't take off and land inside a wilderness area. So there's kind of a gray area there, but I don't want to be that guy. All right, man, I'm ready to do this. I'm excited. I love these kind of adventures and journeys. So let's get the drones up. All right, folks, well, it's starting to get a little too hot, and I wanted to fly the FPV drone and fly my last pack of battery on the Avata, do a bit more, but it's just starting to get way too warm, so we've got to head out and enjoy the drive back. So I'm going to pack up. I've got the drones here. Got to put my Avata away. I never got the FPV out. It's still sitting in the case. I already put my Mini 4 Pro away, so let's get this stuff put away and let's head home.